Consumer expectations in the world of retail e-commerce are changing. Traditional methods of search and discovery are cumbersome and outdated. There is also a growing need for simpler, personalized, and more natural experiences. At Synthetic, Organics division dedicated to cognitive technology, we've developed a cognitive solution, powered by Adobe Sensei to address all of these issues. Let's take a look into the world of what we like to call artificially intelligent style. We live in a world with a virtually unlimited amount of style inspiration. Open any social platform, and you have access to looks, fashions, and brands at an overwhelming scale. However, the path from inspiration to purchase is disjointed. Let's say you find a look on Instagram that would be perfect for the party you're going to next week. You now have to translate the subjective and objective elements of that photo to text, find the right retailer, and finally search, dig, and filter until you find what you want. We've all experienced this. It can be a stressful process, and the longer you are in this journey, the more likely you are to give up. Now consider the in-store experience. This might be better in some regards, but it's still not perfect. Let's say you bring the image that you found on Instagram to a qualified sales associate to help you find a similar look. They can work with a lot less input from you, but they're going to apply their own personal bias to what they show you, and they have a finite understanding of the available inventory. But what if you could use AI to help solve these problems and create a better experience? We think you can. That's why we've created SIA, which stands for Style Intelligence Agent, a cognitive visual search and discovery service for e-commerce that's powered by Adobe Sensei. Let's take a look. Meet Zach. He's 28, a data scientist, and he just moved to New York and needs to step up his fashion game. Zach has been browsing online for some inspiration for a new look. He comes across this GQ lookbook featuring the style of Donald Glover. He likes what he sees and saves the photo to his desktop for reference later. Before he leaves the page, he notices an ad from retailer 2501. Your style powered by AI. He's intrigued and clicks on the ad. Now Zach's at the 2501 site. He sees a call out in the carousel. Use AI to find your custom style. He clicks Find My Style and is taken into the SIA experience. The process is simple. Just upload a photo or link a social account. In this case, Zach is going to upload the Donald Glover photo he saved earlier. The Adobe Sensei image tag service generates attribute tags from the photo, and our custom machine learning model correlates those tags to products from the entire 2501 catalog. Let's take a look at the results. You can see that the first row of looks matches the uploaded photo almost identically. There are tops with similar cuts, styles, patterns, and colors. But here's the cool thing. Not only can SIA find products that are directly featured in the image, it can also take the attributes it extracted and build a bigger and broader look around them. Another great thing about the SIA experience is how the data the customer uploads creates a much richer data profile. Such data enriches the customer profile within the Adobe Experience Cloud, powering more authentic personalization. In this instance, Adobe Audience Manager. And in turn, we have enhanced personalization in Adobe Target and Adobe Campaign. A few weeks later, Zach's now on Spotify, listening to Childish Gambino. We know that he's a Donald Glover fan, and use this data to target and deliver him another ad to get him to return to 2501. Your music, your style. He liked the clothes he found using SIA previously, and has been thinking about blowing out his wardrobe. He clicks the link, and is taken back to the 2501 site. This time around, 2501 is able to speak to Zach in a much more personalized way. Nice, nice, baby. Your style is anything but vanilla. He clicks the call out and is back in the SIA experience. This time, Zach wants to see what type of style the SIA experience can build for him using images of things he's passionate about. He uploads an album cover of a band he's really into, a picture of a car he's been lusting after, a guitar he's had his eye on, and his favorite Yankee, Derek Jeter. Let's see what SIA returns. You can see that a look has been built using and combining many elements from the photos he's uploaded. The shirt is picking up pinstripes from the Yankees uniform and pulling colors from the other images. There is a Guns N' Roses shirt that has been chosen from the rock and roll elements of the guitar, an album cover, but also the colors of all the images. We also have a Yankees hat that's pulled a logo from the Jeter jersey, but also weaves in colors from the other images as well. Not only can the SIA experience build literal and subjective styles based off of what's uploaded, but it also discovers correlations. For example, if Zach adds the Guns N' Roses shirt to the cart, we now understand that there may be a connection between Yankees, red cars, and Guns N' Roses, so we can rank these items higher in the results. Here's why all of this is so important. Early adopters of visual search are expected to increase e-commerce revenue 30% by 2021, and the reasons are clear. Consumers buy more when the friction between see and buy is minimized. And when personalization can be delivered through an opt-in, privacy-centric method, it's a win for everyone. Implementing SIA using Adobe Sensei Content Intelligence gives retailers the opportunity to deliver on all of this by augmenting, not replacing, their current experience, and build a richer 360 view of the customer that can be leveraged for ongoing marketing. Synthetic plus Adobe Sensei. Optimal digital customer experience.